Hi, welcome to the second part of your Google Coder tutorial. Once you log in, you will see a screen similar to this one. So in this screen, Google Coder ships with three default programs. So why don't you just click the program and explore it. So once you click a program, you see it launches in a full screen, and you can see this is what they have done in that specific program. So if you want to view the code of this program, what you should do, look at your right top corner and there is a button like something say coder. Click on that. It brings you the home page. Hold on a second. You see there's something like HTML tags. Click on that. Yeah, we're here. So once it loads the source code for the application you just saw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs here. One for HTML, one for CSS, one for JavaScript, and one for Node. So as you might have guessed already, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are client-side programming languages and stuff, but Node is something to do with server-side programming. If you have heard of PHP already, Node is something similar to PHP. It will run on the server. So specifically, everything you write inside this Node tab will run on your Raspberry Pi, because that is your server. Why don't we just go ahead and create a new application and see how it works. So let's name our application Hello World. And you can select a color you want. I'm going to stick with green for now, and I'm going to click create. Okie dokie. So we here at our first application, and we do have tabs HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Node. For the moment, don't bother too much about Node. If you are not familiar with Node.js and Express.js, this is going to confuse you a bit. So I'm going to leave it as of now. I'm going to explain the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript section of this application. So I hope you're already familiar with HTML syntax and tags. So why don't we, when we open this head tag, we see a title. That is what we're going to get here in the title bar. And we have, so these are the things coming from the Node application. So don't bother about these variables too much, and it has nothing to do with HTML as of now. And if they are linking your JavaScript files and other stuff here. So why don't we change the text here? Okay, I'm going to put a heading Hello Coder, and I'm going to close the h1 tag, and I'm going to create a paragraph. I'm going to say Google Coder is just awesome, good for learning HTML. Once you've done that, what you need to do is there is a save button in the bottom. Just click the save button. Okay, so where do you gonna preview it? For that, you have an icon like eye here on the top right corner. Click the eye. Yes, this is what you have done, and you can see the live preview here. So now just it's not exactly a live preview. As you save, it will refresh it automatically. So I'm going to say is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new paragraph saying I love Google Coder, and I'm going to close the tag, and I'm going to press Ctrl S. Yes, and it refreshes. It works perfectly alright. So that is what we can do with these HTML tags. So if you have used JSFiddle previously, it's something similar to that concept. You have HTML, CSS, and JS. But one thing it's bothering me is like you can't develop full-fledged application with this Google Coder. It's very good if you're learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that brings an end to this HTML section. So next video, let's have a look at the CSS tab. Bye bye.